Ever wished your large format prints could be faster, sharper, and so quiet you barely notice them working? What if you could bring professional grade plotting in-house, saving time and money without compromising on quality? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. We're talking about the game-changing Canon imagePROGRAF TM-305 36-inch 5-color inkjet printer plotter. And let me tell you, this isn't just another printer. It's a productivity powerhouse designed to revolutionize your workflow. Whether you're in architecture, engineering, construction, or creating stunning posters and presentations, the TM-305 is built to exceed expectations. First up, let's talk about that impressive 36-inch wide format capability. This isn't just a number. It's a gateway to incredible versatility and efficiency. Imagine being able to print large-scale CAD drawings, intricate GIS maps, detailed architectural blueprints, or vibrant marketing posters right from your office. No more waiting on third-party print shops, no more worrying about turnaround times, and definitely no more sacrificing detail because your current printer can't handle it. The TM-305 empowers you to keep your critical projects in-house, giving you complete control over quality and deadlines. This dedicated plotter ensures every line, every detail, every nuance of your design is captured precisely as intended, because yes, this is a printer only, designed for dedicated, high-performance output. It's all about empowering your creative and technical visions on a grand scale. But it's not just about size. It's about the stunning quality that Canon's 5-color inkjet system delivers. This printer utilizes 5 LUCIA TD pigment inks, which aren't just colors. They're a promise of exceptional detail and durability. For technical documents, you'll get incredibly sharp lines and crisp text, even on plain paper. Think about how crucial that is for readability on complex blueprints or schematics. For graphics and posters, these inks produce vivid, rich colors that truly pop, making your presentations and marketing materials stand out. The pigment-based formulation also means your prints are water-resistant and UV-resistant, ensuring they last longer and can withstand various environments without fading or smudging. This isn't just printing. It's creating lasting, professional-grade output that truly represents your brand or project with utmost clarity and impact. Now, let's talk about something often overlooked but incredibly important for any busy workspace: quiet operation. The Canon imagePROGRAF TM-305 features significantly reduced noise levels compared to previous models, making it one of the quietest large-format printers on the market. Ever been annoyed by a noisy printer grinding away in the background while you're trying to concentrate? With the TM-305, that's a problem of the past. Its innovative design minimizes vibrations and noise, allowing it to blend seamlessly into any office or studio environment without causing distractions. This means you can place it closer to your team, improving accessibility and workflow efficiency without compromising on a peaceful workspace. It's a subtle but powerful benefit that enhances daily productivity and overall comfort. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-305 36-inch 5-color inkjet printer plotter is more than just a piece of hardware. It's an investment in efficiency, quality, and peace of mind. It's fast, incredibly quiet, delivers stunningly precise prints, and gives you the power to handle large-format projects with confidence. If you're ready to elevate your projects, streamline your workflow, and truly bring your visions to life with unparalleled detail and vibrancy, then this is the plotter you need. Ready to take your printing capabilities to the next level? You can find all the details and purchase information, including where to buy, from expert Canon Platinum resellers like CES Imaging, who offer top-tier support, by checking the link in the description below. Don't just print, plot your path to success.